turn on the power supply. Turn on the computer. Press and hold until you hear a drip release. This is an emergency stop. Press this button and X-ray will turn off. Rotate 90 degrees to enable X-ray. Double-click the mouse to open the X-ray software. New projects can be created here. Before X-ray shoots, click here to start. Open the door. Put in the chip to be shot. Close the door. Press and hold the shoot button until you hear a beep. Loosen your hand. Wait a few seconds. Renderings will appear automatically. Click to enter the files. Roll mouse wheel. Images can be enlarged or reduced. You can intuitively see the shooting effect. Adjustable color on the right toolbar. Adjustable contrast and shade. It can also enhance sharpening, noise reduction, and other functions. Insert USB stick. Export image. Select image format. Select export path. Click Export.